What's going on, guys? In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to install a desk power grommet into the center console of your couch. I purchased this desk power grommet on Amazon for $24.99, and I'll be dropping the link in the description. The reason why I went with this one is because, as you can see, there's a cover when you're not using it, and you can just open it up when you want to use it. Comes with an outlet, 2 USB ports. Each USB port is rated at 2.1 amps per port. Comes with a cord that's about 6 feet long, which makes it good because depending on where your couch is in the living room, you might not need an extension cord. So that might be long enough. Again, 2.1 amps per port, which charges your phone a lot faster. If you're an iPhone user out there and have an iPhone, I have an iPhone 8, and Apple provided a 1 amp adapter, and these don't charge the iPhones as fast. So 2.1 amp you'll definitely see a difference on your charging time. Also, the instruction says to drill a hole about 2/3 to 2 3/4 inches. I already had a Milwaukee hole saw kit, and it comes with one that's about 2.5 inches. So you can purchase these individually at your local hardware store on Amazon, or you can just buy a set, and it'll be handy for other projects down the road, and you'll be needing the drill. Okay, guys, so this is the couch I'll be installing the desk power grommet into. Here's the center console. I'm planning on installing it like right there. But the reason why I'm showing you this is because I went ahead and removed the couch away from the wall. I'm no furniture engineer, so I don't know what your sofa will look like underneath. But I took a look, and as you can see the center console right there. There's a wooden piece that goes across that supports that plastic piece. So if you want to, you can just drill a hole like around there, and you might miss that piece that's going across. I don't want to take that risk because it's so easy to remove this piece. All it takes is these 4 screws there, those 4, and this one, and this piece just comes out. So for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and go from there. Okay, so now we'll just be removing this piece out. So there's a total of 9 screws, 4 on each side and the one in the center. Don't lose these screws. And that's it. It's that simple, guys. Okay, so I didn't mention this earlier, but you'll definitely need a measuring tape. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from the hole from the screw to the end of the piece of the wood. So from the hole to the end of the piece of the wood is shy of 2 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to measure from here and go 2 inches out. There you go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it. You could probably use one of the screws. Mark it, and then that way I know where to drill my hole to where I don't hit the piece of wood that's going to be running this way. So now that we're here, it's time to drill the hole. So I'm just going to put it back in place, reinstall or rescrew, screw back in just so it doesn't move. Then take it out. Nail back in, close off. Then find the center, right where you want it at. Line it up, make sure you're not going too far. Looks about right. Don't be too rough on it. Okay, so once that's on there, you want either you can slide it through and then tighten it from the back, or you can just do it from up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the screw, wring out. And remember, there's a bunch of stuff here from the plastic. So you take this, you take it off, and then you would just run this through. You know, just set it up how you want. But for now, so it stays in place, I'll run this through. Tighten it up. Take a look. See how you're gonna want it. I'm gonna want it like that. And then just hold on to it. And then just tighten it. Have to fight with it a little bit. But that's pretty much it. They come with screws, and you can put some screws in there. Let's see. But that's it. Okay, so I already connected the wire to the electrical outlet on the wall. So now it's time to see if it works. So first, let's try the outlet here. It works. Now let's try the USB ports. It works. Let's try the one on the right, and it works. So that's how you install a desk power grommet to your center console. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, go ahead and comment below. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And see you next time.